Start up, winner take all, gates open, they're up and racing, the favorite, Dugo's favorite, draws for your lead, Careless Whisper is by the rail, Bonjour Dan down on the inside, East entry number 1, Gold Asian moving up, East entry number 5, Manila Magic, together with 1A Hot Gossip, heading towards the last 600, Dugo's favorite, the favorite by about 2 lengths. Running in second is Manila Magic. Gold Asian is already outside. Hot Gossip rather. Then followed by entry number 4 Bonjour by the rail. Careless Whisper as they turn for home. Dugo's favorite. The favorite is still leading the field. Manila Magic is running by the rail. Hot Gossip remains in third with the last 150 more to run. Dugo's favorite, the favorite, is still leading the field and doing it from start to finish. Second, Manila Magic. 1A Hot Gossip. Then comes Bonjour, Careless Whisper, number 1 Gold Asian. And from this moment,